guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys were saying, or some people were commenting that the 2023 Transit 3.5 non-EcoBoost, which is the flex fuel, does not take 12 quarts of oil, that it's a misprint on the amsoil. So I got Ford QTS pulled up, I got amsoil, and I got alldata. So right here we got a 23 Transit. We're going to hit go. Whatever, workshop. We're going to go down here, section 303, engine, Duratec. Let me scroll that over. See, Duratec right here. Specifications. Scroll down. Service fill, 12 quarts. EcoBoost. Specifications. Scroll down. Service fill, including filter, 6 quarts. Let's go to amsoil. No. Vehicle. Select year. 2023. Make. Ford. Model. Transit 250, engine, flex fuel, 3.5 liter flex fuel, 12 quarts. Let's go back up here and change it to the turbo. Stop it. 6 quarts. Now, let's go over here to alldata. 2023. Actually, look, there it is right there. Here's the turbo. Specifications. Fluid types. Engine. Specs. What's that say right there? Turbo. Service fill. 6 quarts. Alright. Vehicle. Change. We did the turbo, so here's the flex fuel. Specifications, fluid types, engine, specs. What's that say right there? Service fill, including filter, 12 quarts. So I don't know why some people were saying it's a misprint on amsoil, or that maybe I manipulated it somehow. I just showed you right here. It is not a misprint. The flex fuel does take 12 quarts of oil. The turbocharged EcoBoost takes 6 quarts of oil. I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.